Step 1. Remove the rear factory differential bolts and drain the fluid. Then remove the factory cover. Step 2. Prepare the differential by cleaning off any residual fluid as thoroughly as possible. Step 3. Thoroughly clean any dirt or dust from the PPE differential cover. Prepare the hardware by pre-installing the washers onto the socket head cap screw. Apply RTV silicone sealer evenly onto the flange and around all bolt holes. Step 4. Install the PPE differential cover using the supplied hardware. Do not fully tighten. Step 5. Tighten the screws in a crossing pattern. Torque all screws to 20 to 25 foot-pounds. Step 6. Remove the fill plug on the PPE differential cover. Step 7. Check and tighten the drain plug to 13 to 15 pound-feet. Step 8. Fill the differential with factory recommend fluid and level. Wipe away any excess fluid. Step 9. Reinstall the fill plug and tighten to 18 pounds-feet. Check for any leaks. Installation complete.